Hello, dear audience. Hello. Good evening. Wednesday night again. So tonight we have
Hi.
China Medical University in Taiwan. Yes, and Professor Yang, the Dean of Global
Hi.
Affairs. Yes, from CMU in Taiwan, 中国医药大学. So if you're interested in medical studies, yes, this is the right university for you. So CMU is located in Taichung City, in the central part of Taiwan, a very beautiful location and beautiful weather. And the university offers scholarships for students with good academic performances. And the university also offers English taught programs in master and in PhD studies. So if you're interested in this university and interested in studying in Taiwan, please stay tuned with us. And first of all, we have a video from the university to share with you. So let's watch the video first.
China Medical University was established in 1958. Initially, it was focused on traditional medicine. Currently, China Medical University is one of the largest medical universities in Taiwan, focusing on both Western and traditional medicine. We are now have 9 colleges with 5 affiliated hospitals. The number of beds in the hospital totaling is more than 6,000. The faculty member at China Medical University committed to medical education as well as to develop innovative research programs in order to advance biomedical knowledge and to challenge unmet medical needs. With the strong support from the board of directors and effort from all levels of employees, it is now transformed into an outstanding research-oriented medical university. China Medical University is a high-caliber research academic institute in biomedicine, as evidence from numerous achievements in high-impact publications and awards. For instance, China Medical University is ranked as one of the top 300 universities in the world in 2018 and number 1 among the private universities in Taiwan. China Medical University is moving toward globalization through collaboration with prestigious international partners such as Stanford University, University of Texas MD Anderson Cancer Center, National University of Singapore, and many others. We are recruiting all levels of scientists, particularly interested in cancer biology, neuroscience, AI, aging, immunology, and so on. We plan to recruit more than 100 faculty members within 3 years.
In the areas of Chinese medicine, herbal drug, East and West integrated medicine, and acupuncture, China Medical University ranks among the top in the world in terms of number of publications and their citations. British Time World University Ranking System reported that China Medical University is among very few in the world where East and West medicine sit side by side.
Our mission is to incorporate the advanced basic research into the emerging treatment strategy of regenerative medicine to make advance in contemporary medicine and promote the well-being of patients.
In the past, aging studies have been mainly focused on characterizing the difference between young and old. However, the groundbreaking discovery in the past decade tells us that the aging process itself can be modulated and controlled. So instead of studying age-related diseases, Our center has been focusing on studying the basic biology of aging. We try to figure out how the aging clock is set and regulated.
The Research Center for Cancer Biology is a newly established interdisciplinary research institute focusing on important areas of cancer, such as cell and molecular biology, immunology, molecular imaging, structural biology, and bioinformatics. We position ourselves as a cancer research institution with a global vision, striving to collaborate and work with other leading institutes in the international arena.
With the opening of the new campus at Suinan in Taichung in 2020, we are very confident to develop into a world-leading class medical university.
Yes, that's the end of the video sharing. And Professor Yang would like to share with you more information about the university. So, Professor, would you please?
Yeah, thank you very much. Welcome, good evening. Welcome to Taiwan Education Fair. I'm Professor Liang Yu Yang, Professor of Medicine, also Dean of Global Affairs, China Medical University, Taichung, Taiwan. So today I'm going to introduce a world-class university to you, China Medical University, Taiwan. China Medical University is top 1% of university worldwide, and China Medical University is located in Taichung, and Taichung is the second largest city of Taiwan. China Medical University also have own 6,000 bed healthcare system. Is the second largest healthcare system in Taiwan. And China Medical University owns several Joint Commission International JCI accredited hospital, Taichung Hospital, Beigang Hospital, Tainan Annan Hospital, Hsinchu Hospital, and Children's Hospital. And China Med, this is the World University ranking of China Medical University. If you look at this is Shanghai ranking, academic ranking of World University 2020. There are 5 universities. This is the top 500. And China Medical University is number 225. It's just behind National Taiwan University. And if you look at the other ranking, this is 2021 QS World University ranking by subject. And if we look at the subject of anatomy and physiology, China Medical University is ranked top 100. And if we look at the medicine, China Medical University is listed as a top 200. And if we look at the pharmacy and pharmacology, China Medical University is ranked as a top 150. And if we look at another different ranking, Time Higher Education World University rankings by subject, clinical and health, China Medical University is ranked top 200. So we have shared with you the Shanghai ranking, QS World University ranking by subject, and Time Higher Education World University ranking by subject. China Medical University basics is this among top 200 and top 300. So we are ranked one of the top 300 university in the world, and basically number 2 in Taiwan, and number 1 among private university among all different kind of ranking. And China Medical University has quite a lot of world-renowned faculty members. So this is the new China Medical University campus, 80 acres campus. And these are the 3 new buildings. And this is me, and we are the leaders of the China Medical University. And China Medical University will invest 1.3 billion US dollars, 1.3 billion US dollars to build up this campus. And right now we have 3 new buildings, and we are building another 4 new buildings right now. And in this campus, we will build up Academia Industry Innovation Center, Star Medical Center, and Drug Discovery Center, and also Medical Innovation and International Medical Service Center. This is the Professor De Yang Zhou, who is the superintendent of China Medical University Hospital. He majored in immune cell therapy, and especially in dendritic cell-based immunotherapy. The brain tumor, malignant brain tumor, we call it glioblastoma. If patient is diagnosed with the glioblastoma, usually die 18 months after diagnosis. And what Professor Zhou does is he uses dendritic cell-based immunotherapy to treat the patient with glioblastoma. And you could see here, 50% of patients can survive for 5 years, and quite a lot of them could survive for more than 10 years. So that means this dendritic cell-based immunotherapy is working. Of course, we are improving and try to get it better. We do hope in the future we could cure this disease, glioblastoma. And this is the Professor Hongji Chen, who majored in reconstructive surgery. He majored in severe case of lymphedema or abnormal lymphatic system and reconstruction of pulmonary organ. For example, if a patient, cancer patient, we need to remove his pulmonary system, he cannot speak again. And then how do we save his? Promote his quality of life? What Professor Hongji Chen does is take a portion of large intestine here and to restore its function of pulmonary organ, and the patient can speak again. And this is a very famous and very difficult surgery, and it has been aired in the 2016 Discovery Channel, Taiwan Revealed, Medical Elite. Every year, Professor Chen will receive quite a lot of international surgeons come to China Medical University Hospital to learn this technique. And this is a Professor Min-Chi Hong, who is the president of China Medical University, also academician Academia Sinica. And he majored in cancer biology and therapy. He has published more than 500 publications. His Hirsch index is over 120. That means quite high, very, very high. And what he does, he used a combination of therapy, target therapy and immune checkpoint therapy, combine these two techniques together to save patients' life. China Medical University has several Center of Excellence. Center of Excellence for Chinese Medicine received the funding from Ministry of Education as the top university funding since 2014. And then in 2018, this center also received Ministry of Education Cultivation of Higher Education projects for another 5 years. And another center, Center of Excellence for New Drug Development, this center also received Ministry of Education Cultivation of Higher Education project funding for 5 years, since 2018 to 2022. And this is the Professor Min-Chi Hong, his research breakthrough. He published a paper in Cancer Cell Journal. Impact factor is very high, 23. This is what he discovered. He discovered some patients is PD-L1 negative. However, they are false negative. If we can remove the ending glycosylation, could enhance the PD-L1 detection and also predict the anti-PD-1, PD-L1 therapeutic efficacy, promote the quality of life, promote the survival time of the patient. So this is published in Cancer Cell. And this is a Professor Wenhua Li, also academician of Academia Sinica, former president of China Medical University. He is the person who first discovered the first human cancer suppressor gene, retinoblastoma. And right now, he focused on the pancreatic cancer study. Pancreatic cancer, if a patient is diagnosed with the pancreatic cancer, usually die 6 months after diagnosis. So Professor Wenhua Li discovered that high glucose will trigger nucleotide imbalance and leading to KRAS mutation, induces cancer in pancreas. So this is a published in Cell Metabolism. The impact factor is 22. And this is a Professor Wen Tao Zhuan, who published a paper in Cell. And this is a Taiwan blue mapping. And what he does is that illustrate the making of a fly failure by an architecture principle and adaptation in this cell paper. So this cell paper impact factor is over 36. And this is Professor Min-Chi Hong again. His research breakthrough is published in the Nature. And the Nature's impact factor is over 43. What he found is that gluconeogenic metabolic enzyme PCK1 has the protein kinase activity and can be used as a new target for liver cancer treatment. So this is published in the Nature. And China Medical University also has very active global collaboration. This is the National University of Singapore. We already collaborate with them for a long time. So we have signed the MOU at university level. We also held 3 times joint symposium since 2017. And this year, in the September 23rd and 24th, we are going to have the 4th NUS CMU Joint Symposium hosted by National University of Singapore. And faculty member of National University of Singapore and China Medical University faculty member will co-mentor our PhD students. So these are the first joint symposium, second joint symposium, a third joint symposium. And we also have a joint symposium in new drug development. And we also form a very strong collaboration with Nanyang Technological University in Singapore. And so we collaborate in AI, artificial intelligence research, Chinese medicine, stem cell research, and also co-mentor PhD students. And in South Korea, we also collaborate with Seoul National University, the #1 university in South Korea. So we form a strong partnership with them. We also had 2 joint symposia with Seoul National University, and we collaborate in the cancer research, stem cell research, and dentistry. And this is the University of Tokyo. University of Tokyo is also one of our important partners. And we also had 2 joint symposia with them. The first one would be in 2018, the second one 2019. And the next one, University of Tokyo will host it in Tokyo for the 3rd CMU University of Tokyo Joint Symposium. And our faculty member collaborates in the biomaterial, stem cell research, cancer, and public health. And we also co-mentor our PhD students. And this is Hokkaido University. And we also had the 2 joint symposium. One is 2018, one is 2019. And next symposium, Hokkaido University will host it. And due to the COVID-19 pandemic, so we postponed the 3rd Hokkaido University CMU Joint Symposium. And our faculty member collaborates with Hokkaido University in cancer, cell therapy, radiation oncology, 3D printing, stem cell, and we also co-mentor PhD students together. And of course, we also have very strong partnership with MD Anderson Cancer Center since 2005. So each year we publish over 60 papers with MD Anderson Cancer Center together. And China Medical University, Taiwan, has attracted quite a lot of global talents from all over the world. So this is the this slide shows where our medical students from. You can see they are the majority of them from Malaysia and United States, Canada, Japan, South Korea, and so forth. And we also send our students to study at a world-class university for 1 month or 2 months. For example, we will send our students to University of Melbourne, University of Sydney, University of Texas MD Anderson Cancer Center, National University of Singapore, University of Vienna, Osaka University, and so forth. And all the international students can apply for scholarship offered by Taiwan government. And these are the important information. You should write it down. So as long as you scan the QR code here, you can get to the Taiwan government scholarship. And in here, you could apply through Taiwan Embassy or Taipei Representative Office in your country to apply for Taiwan government scholarship. In addition, you could also apply for ED study in Taiwan scholarship for Southeast Asia scholarship. And of course, you scan this QR code, you can get to this website. In addition to Taiwan's scholarship, China Medical University, we also offer stipend for PhD students and free tuition to all graduate students. For PhD students, we offer 2-year tuition free and also provide monthly stipend 20,000 NT dollars. It's equivalent to approximately 699 US dollars per month. And if you are very outstanding, you can compete for NT dollars for 44,000 NT dollars per month. It's equivalent to US dollars $1,537. This is every month for 4 years. If you are really, really exceptional, you could also apply for, upon on this, you could also apply for President Scholarship. And for the master students, we offer 1 year tuition free. And also, if you are good, you can compete for outstanding students, get 10,000 NT dollars per month. It's approximately US dollar 350. Of course, for our faculty member, you need to find a faculty member. The faculty member would also be willing to provide you stipends, monthly stipend. And after you study at China Medical University for 1 semester, if you keep good academic performance, you can also compete this termly stipend up to NT dollar 50,000 NT dollars. US dollars is equivalent to $1,747. This is for each semester. You could apply for this. But for the graduate students, your academic performance needs to be higher than 3.7 on a basis of 4.3. For undergraduate students, you need to take at least 9 credit, and your academic performance need to be higher than 3.0 on a basis of 4.3. And for each level, undergraduates, there are up to 25 students will receive this, and for the graduate students, up to 25 will receive this scholarship. And these are the information for our application system, and you could scan this QR code to get online application. And our online application here, if you have questions, you could visit our website here. And if you have a question about admission, and you could also write email to this for the admission question. If you have a question about scholarship, you could also write email to this one. And of course, you could also call us directly. And our application, you could see for 2022 spring, it will start September 1st to 1700 November 1st, 2021. This is for the spring semester 2022. And the program offered by China Medical University, all the master and PhD program will be offered in English. For all the master and doctoral program, PhD program will be offered in English. So these are the program. And for the undergraduate students, since the students after they graduate, they need to take the national license exam. A national license exam is in Chinese. So for the undergraduate, even though we use the Chinese, we use the English textbook, we have to deliver the courses in combination of English and Chinese. So if you want to apply for undergraduate program, you need to have some level proficiency of Chinese. And so we offer this Madison Graduate Institute of Biomedical Science International Program, Medical Laboratory Science and Biotechnology, and so forth. And these are for the nursing, physical therapy, rehabilitation, sports medicine, public health, interdisciplinary freshman program of public health, and so forth. So please remember, these are important dates. September 1st, 2021 to 1700 November 1st, 2021. This is for spring admission time, spring 2022. And you could scan this QR code to get online application website. And you could also scan this to get onto the CMU website. So for the master and PhD courses are offered in English. And these are the important admission schedule. For the spring 2022, we will open the online application system on September 1st and closes at 1700 November 1st, 2021. And the students will start to enroll and study at China Medical University February 2022. And for the fall semester 2022, basically we usually will open on November 15. and ends at 1700 March 31st, 2022. So if you are interested to apply for our fall semester, and we will open the online system on mid-November. And if you are interested in the spring semester 2022, and we will open the online application system on September 1st. So these are the important dates you need to keep in mind. And if you want to find a faculty member, we put our research profile of CMU faculty member here. So you could scan the QR codes here, and these are also the QR code. You could scan it and look at the research interest of all faculty members here. And this is International Student Center Facebook. After you accepted to China Medical University, and you will join the Facebook of the International Student Center and join here to communicate with all the international students at China Medical University. Up to now, we have approximately 500 international students. The number is keep increasing. And this is the International Admission Facebook, so you could come here to learn more information. And if you have any questions, and you could send your question by scan the QR code at Facebook, or scan the QR code at 9, or send the information through this our email, through this emails here, and we could answer your question. And finally, I would like to know, do you have dreams? Definitely, at this point of time, you are watching my presentation, you do definitely have dream. You have dream, and China Medical University can help you achieve your dream. So China Medical University would be the best choice for you. If you can study at the China Medical University, China Medical University will help you achieve your dream. Thank you very much for your attention. If you have any questions, please ask me or write the information to the bulletin board. We will answer your question. Okay, I saw a welcome reviewer from the Bangladesh. Oh, welcome the students from Indonesia too. Yeah. So I'm checking on that bulletin board for your message. Please write down your information, your questions in English. I will try to answer your question on the spot. Okay, I got admission last semester, but due to the current situation, I have delayed my study. I personally very happy and satisfied with the CMU for their care about the international students. Okay, thank you very much. We welcome you to come back to study at the CMU as soon as possible. Hi, Lakan. Hello. Eddie, I have a bit specific question about PhD admission in biotechnology field. I have achieved master degree at the Asian University Taichung and have planned to apply for a PhD program at China Medical University. The English website indicates that there is no English taught biotechnology PhD program. However, from my experience, I know that there are a lot of international research students at CMU taking PhD degree in biotechnology. Another question is the China Medical University hospital admission. Okay, basically, I think we do not have a specific say the biotechnology. However, we have quite a lot of, for example, Graduate Institute of Biomedical Science. Actually, you could learn the biotechnology in this program. So my best suggestion would be you apply for Graduate Institute of Biomedical Science. And we have more than 100 faculty members here. Definitely, you can study biotechnology by applying for Graduate Institute of Biomedical Sciences. And another question about China Medical University Hospital admission. And let me see. CMU application information for 2022 spring semester. Application period is September 1st, 2021 to November 1st, 2021. Results announcement is December 17, 2021. Enrollment is February 2022. Yeah, that's correct information. And CMU application information for 2022 spring semester. Okay, this is will be spring 2022. We will open our online application system on September 1st, and it will end 1700 November 1st, 2021. And we will announce the results in December 17th. Okay, you can follow our Facebook. Okay, we do have a Facebook fan page, and contact us via Messenger. And CMU application information for 2022 spring semester. I already repeat this question. And also email CMU. So if you have question, you did not put it down here. After this presentation, I think you could still write an email to us, and the information, this email, CMU Office of Global Affairs, intlstu@mail.cmu.edu.tw. Okay, you could email us if you still have questions. Biomedical Science, and this is the website for the Biomedical Science. So up to now, right now, currently, there are 2 Mongolian students enrolled in the PhD and master program. For the PhD, 1 student is enrolled in Graduate Institute of Biomedical Science. And in this faculty, we have more than 100 faculty members in this. It's a very, very big faculty member. Basically, all the health science or medicine related field, we have all the faculty members interested in all medicine related fields. So you can find 1 faculty member who could mentor you. Yeah. And the other students is a major in the master program in pharmaceutical cosmeceutics. Yeah, pharmaceutical cosmeceutics. Yeah. And right now, we have approximately 500 international students. And so we do encourage you, if you are interested in our program, to send your information, to visit our website and look at all the information, especially research profile of our faculty member I just introduced, because these faculty members are all interested in taking international students. As long as you find his research interest, you like their research interest, then you can contact them, and they would be, if you are good enough, they would be happy to accept you. Yeah, they will also provide you, even though the master students, they will also provide you for a monthly stipend if you work hard in their lab. So any other questions, please write down your information in the private chat here. So if you do not have any questions yet, please do remember our website and email, and go visit our website. And when you have questions, you could write an email to us, or if you like to talk to our staff, you could call and talk to the staff of my colleagues at Office of Global Affairs. I do hope you understand more about China Medical University. As I mentioned, China Medical University is one of the top 1% university, and also top 300 university in the world. And for the medicine, pharmacy, anatomy, the field, we are basically ranked among top 200 in the entire world. So if you do have dream, I would encourage you to apply for China Medical University. China Medical University will help you achieve your dream. Thank you very much for listening to my presentation. I do hope that I will see you in spring 2022, in February 2022 at China Medical University campus. I will see you in Taichung. Thank you very much for listening. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Thank you very much.